Disappointment at work, it happens to all of us. But how you respond makes all the difference. Instead of getting stuck in frustration or doubt, take control of your next move with these 6 steps. Step 1. Manage your emotions. Acknowledge how you feel, but don't let emotions define you. Labeling them helps you process the experience and choose a productive path forward. Talking to trusted colleagues or journaling can be a game changer. Step 2. Reassess your expectations. Were your assumptions realistic? Think about what decision makers were looking for and how well you aligned with their needs. Use these insights to refine your approach for next time. Step 3. Allow for recovery. Rest, recharge, step back from work stress, and reconnect with routines that energize you. Recovery isn't indulgent, it's strategic. Step 4. Draw out learning. Ask for feedback. Learn what worked, what didn't, and how you can grow. Even vague answers from decision makers can provide valuable insight. Step 5. Reboot your confidence. Remember past wins and take small steps toward rebuilding momentum. Progress starts with confidence. Step 6. Move forward. Reconnect with your network, take initiative, and show you're focused on the future. If this path isn't right anymore, consider new opportunities better aligned with your strengths and aspirations. Disappointment isn't the end, it's an opportunity for growth. What's your next move?